What is going on, YouTube? This is my first video ever doing this kind of thing, and it's hot as heck in the truck, and I don't have AC, so I figured I would just leave the truck off. So this is the first video. We're gonna get to it. All right, so not really like a planned schedule or anything on this YouTube channel, but I had this idea. I said, why not? Let's roll with it. Let's see how it goes. So in my truck, no AC. It's hot as heck. I might open up the door because I'm sweating like crazy. I am at work. It is a 30-minute break, so I figured I would make the first YouTube video. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, so we are eating Nature Valley Biscuits peanut butter. That's what it looks like. Nice. And then we're coupling that with the Pure Leaf Real Brewed Tea. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm going to pop this open because it is extremely hot. This is a very much go-to tea for me, while I'm at work at least. It's pretty good. And my wife actually bought these not too long ago, like 3 days ago, because I end up trying to spend a whole bunch of money at work, and I probably shouldn't do that. So, and what I like to do with these is I like to just pop them open like that and eat one side. That's what they look like. It's peanut butter. Oh my God, I'm dropping stuff everywhere on the truck. Oh, it's hot. Hold on. I gotta open the door. Oh my God. It is so hot, people. All right. So, very peanut buttery. Like the cracker part of it is very good. These will hold me over. And I actually have 2 of them. They're good. I enjoy them. I don't know if you guys can hear the beeping in the back. I'm a yard jockey, so I'm just sitting out here on my break. Pretty good. So the goal of this YouTube channel is literally just to record all the snacks that I buy. So, you know, like not like a set schedule or anything, but we're just going to bust out content and snack videos. And improve. You know? So, that's what I plan on doing. It's good stuff. Now, to be completely fair and honest with you, whenever I drink sodas, burps come out of nowhere. So if I burp and you're disgusted by that, I don't know what to tell you. Good. It's super hot. I got my other one right here. Once again, it's Nature Valley Biscuits with peanut butter. A whole grain. Very good. Honey biscuits with peanut butter filling. That's what it is. They're very filling. You know, I don't know how much my wife paid for them, but you know, I try not to spend too much money here at work, but you know, I had to spend money on that tea, and that tea's really good. So I enjoy these. I had them yesterday, like I said, and they filled me up. So the videos are probably going to be anywhere from 5 to 8 minutes. It just kind of depends on what I'm eating. And yeah. But I'm actually almost over with my 30-minute break, so I need to go here pretty soon. It's a good snack. And it'll hold me over, you know, until I get home. And it works. So I plan on, you know, with every snack, trying to record. So I eat a lot of snacks, so there might be a lot of videos coming out. And if I have time while I'm at work, I'll pop in here. I'll just spit. I'm sorry. I'll pop in here, do a little quick video, and then get back to work. Good. And they have it. Quick little snack with some Pure Leaf real brewed tea. It's good stuff. It's actually really good. I love this tea. Usually when I'm at work, I'll probably buy this 2-3 times a week, but probably gonna have to switch it up a bit. So my plan is to try to eat maybe a different snack every day. We'll see, you know? I don't know. We'll figure it out as we go. That's that. That's a good snack. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.